My name is Deuki Hong of the Sunday Restaurants in San Francisco. My Korean pantry is awesome. There's a lot of ingredients that I'm familiar with, that I've cooked with a lot, but there's also a good array of ingredients that even I am not that familiar with. I'm looking most forward to really just cooking with my friends, to be honest. Raiding the fridge, seeing what we have, and just cooking good food for each other. To me, that's just the most beautiful thing about cooking.
Deuki has a fantastic pantry, and it was wonderful to, see some ingredients that I am familiar with, like the Gochujang, but see some ingredients that I haven't worked with before, like the Yuja.
Super fun. Lots of fresh chilies and fresh herbs, perilla, and the mushrooms too. Really excited to cook with all those delicious things today.
This is sesame oil. You guys are all familiar with sesame oil. But I
delicious.
think I saw perilla oil, which is, I would say like, kind of cousins or similar. So I kind of want to know the difference, because I don't know if it's interchangeable, right? First thing in the morning. Delicious.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And it's really lovely.
Yeah.
You've tasted this before, right?
No.
No?
I'm learning just
Here. It's really, really good.
Oh,
It's
wow.
bright, gorgeous.
Oh, that's nice. Mm-hmm. Because you always want, like, I'm Asian, you guys are Asian, and you guys, like, always want rice with everything, right?
Yeah.
And I just thought this was the smartest thing.
It's just rice that's ready
You just
to
want
go.
one pack. Yeah, it's just one pack. You open it up a little bit and microwave it. Roasted seaweed, I know we...
So good.
Honey Sichuan chi from Yuja, which is naturally grown in Korea.
That would be really good with like pork or chicken.
Glaze a ham.
Ooh.
That's a good idea. You guys know what kimchi is.
Yeah, we love kimchi.
I love that you just slapped it and it started bubbling.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I think kimchi is one of those ingredients that are so versatile because you can have it raw, you can have it by itself, you can mix it into things, you can boil it into soup.
Like kimchi is just raw, straight kimchi.
perfect.
It's good, yeah. There's this meaty quality to king oyster mushrooms, which is kind of different from here. All I know with this is like stew. My application for this is usually barbecue. We got a couple of candies, sweet potato candies.
Yeah.
Oh, both sweet potato candies.
It smells so good.
Like a soy caramel with
does
steak
smell
or something.
Yeah.
That does smell really good.
That smells
Honestly,
amazing.
that would be great with those oyster
Oh, that smells
mushrooms.
absolutely amazing.
You guys know gochujang, doenjang, fermented chili paste,
Yeah.
fermented soybean paste.
I want to taste these Korean soy sauces.
Oh, wow.
Is it? How is it compared to regular soy sauce?
Intense.
I'd love to work with these little crunchy rice snacks, little grain bar. I think these are going to be awesome.
Yeah, I just say we start simple and just
Yeah.
start out with like an appetizer from each of you guys.
Sure.
And I'll be here to help in any way. But yeah,
Yeah.
I'm here to learn and how you guys approach it. That'd be really cool.
Awesome. For my first course, I am making a cabbage salad, but I'm dressing it with a beautiful dressing made from diced up kimchi, Korean soy sauce, Korean sesame oil, a little bit of sugar. We are going to dress that salad. It's going to have the pengi mushrooms, a little bit of the perilla leaves, and a lot of that perilla oil. And for a little bit of texture and crunch at the very, very end, we're going to finish it with the Korean rice cracker.
Oh, wow. That soy sauce is really good.
It's good, it's delicious.
Ginger garlic kimchi. That's it. Yeah.
That's so good. For a first course, like for an appetizer, I really like something that you can eat with your hands, something that kind of gets you messy. I am making chicken wings for this first course.
Yes, you are.
I am taking chicken, doing a quick brine on it with doenjang, just for the nice saltiness and that little bit of funk, and then dredging it in a blend of flour, cornstarch, and misugaru for a little deep roasty flavor. Frying that and then glazing it in a sauce made with the omija beverage, a little bit of beer and ginger and scallion. And now I think I'm gonna start frying.
Oh my Lord, here we go. I love your salad, chef, but my heart is going to. I hear the frying chicken, and I'm just like, hello. So Maya, the chicken is ready to come out, right?
It is, yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's like the quickest cooking piece of chicken.
Yeah.
Super accessible. And obviously you eat it with your hands, which I love.
If this were on the menu, I'd call it a shaved cabbage salad with mushrooms and kimchi dressing. And then we'll just finish it
We
off.
found his new favorite oil.
I know, right?
That crunchy seasoning.
Ooh, and then the really crunchy, spicy.
Wow.
I think it's gonna be so delicious with the chicken.
I think it's gonna be great with the chicken.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Chef, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
I need a hug. Oh my God.
I'm gonna finish this with some sesame seeds, just pickled chilies with that Yuja marmalade,
Yes.
and then just finish it off with a bunch of nice scallion. I would call this basically Korean buffalo wings.
Yes. Chefs, oh my gosh, this looks super legit.
I think a lot of these Korean ingredients offer so much flavor,
Yeah.
but working together, they oftentimes just combine so beautifully together.
It's beautifully savory while still being really nice and light. The mushrooms have like a silky texture, crunchy cabbage, and the perilla oil together, which has this like lovely like nutty green flavor.
Yeah. There's a lot going on in a good type of way, and you're like, wow, you get this, you get the texture, you get the spice. The more I chew it, like different things are coming.
It's so lovely.
And I love that so much. This is just an exciting salad. Like I could eat a whole bowl of this.
And you don't even like salad.
I hate salad. Chef Maya,
Yeah,
I've been waiting for this moment.
for these chicken wings.
Cheers.
Cheers.
He already went in.
Cheers.
Together. There's so many layers of flavor with the sauce, with the dredge. It's one of those like, you don't know what that is, but you know it's delicious and it's like did its job.
You took so much care to marinate it in that doenjang and then all the garnishes, and it's like really crunchy.
Yeah.
And the pickled chilies work really nicely with the sweetness from the marmalade that you used.
Oh, yeah.
Both these dishes go well together. And
It's
it
like
wasn't
the,
planned.
It's the perfect picnic.
It's the perfect picnic.
Like
Absolutely.
fried chicken and, you know, like a crunchy
salad.
cabbage salad.
So we used a lot of the pantry.
Yeah, in these two dishes we used
I would say most of
your pantry.
That's incredible. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's exciting.
If this is like any mark on how the rest of the dinner is gonna go in the menu, I'm like super excited. So yeah, let's go right into the entrees.
Awesome.
Can't wait.
Thank you, Chef.
Yeah, of course. So for the second course, we're going to make a gochujang and Yuja glazed chicken. We're gonna take some of that gochujang, mix it with a little bit of soy sauce, the Yuja, and a little bit of the Korean garlic powder and Korean black pepper powder. Oh, it's really good. Yep. Need a little more citron.
It's actually that Yuja citron tea like really comes out a lot.
Now we're gonna go nuts and just rub this all
Got it.
over.
For my main course today, I am making a noodle dish using the somyeon noodles, doing those with a corn cream with a little bit of lemon, and then topping that with some stir-fried, kind of sweet, sour, spicy kimchi. I feel like something special happens to kimchi when you cook it down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Some delicious king oyster mushrooms, which I am grilling and then marinating with 2 different kinds of mushroom powders and some delicious Korean soy sauce. You're making a dish for us now?
Now I am. I'm like super inspired kind of how a lot of these ingredients that I'm pretty familiar with are being used in such like different applications.
What about some perilla oil?
Absolutely.
You're obsessed now.
I know, I love it. I mean, I think it's really fun to, you know, just have a lot of different ingredients and see what you can come up with. I think we've all been very inspired by these ingredients today.
Yeah.
And this sauce is just soy, that Korean pear juice, really thickened it up. It kind of reminds me of black bean noodles, like jjajangmyeon. We're doing it. We're doing it.
Beautiful.
Look at that, that looks
Wow,
amazing.
that's gorgeous.
Korean crispy sweet potato noodles with a soy. It's delicious, just eat it. It's really good.
I'm just gonna finish this with another big squeeze of lemon and then a little bit of da, 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 da. God.
Oh, like a cacio
Good reach.
pepe.
Yeah.
A cornchio pepe.
Cornchio pepe.
I like that.
Cool.
Wow. 2 noodle dishes.
Ta-da.
Last but not least, Chef, I'm like super excited about this roast chicken.
Same. Beautiful. Wow.
These sweet potato starch noodles have been hydrated and then fried again. So really play on pan-fried noodles. And we did a sauce that was soy-based with some pork belly, onions, Korean radishes, and then we topped it off with some really beautiful charred radicchio perilla salad. Have this get in there.
I love the texture from the crunchy noodles.
Yeah. And that beautiful texture on the pork belly. It's like a little bit chewy, a little bit gelatinous.
Yeah.
Delicious. So I kind of wanted to treat this dish like in a more French or Italian way. Still looks like a Korean dish. Korean ingredients.
It's really good. I love how the cooked kimchi kind of just really clears up that beautiful, rich, fatty, creamy corn.
Yeah.
It plays together really well. I think roasted kimchi is going to be a thing. This is
It's
the
so
condiment.
good.
It's so good.
Yeah. It's just amps up the intensity.
We have our roasted chicken, and it came together really easily, so we'll just go right in. Nice caramelized vegetables that were cooked in the same pot. Sweet things go well with charred flavors, so I love, the combination that the Gochujang offers because it has a little bit of sweetness, that umami, that saltiness. I knew it would char beautifully.
100%.
It worked out.
These dishes don't actually look Korean, but in flavor, it tastes so Korean. And I love that so much. But even like this looks like a very American roast chicken dish with some beautiful vegetables on top. This looks like an Italian pasta dish. This was incredible. It really genuinely was.
Yeah.
But to wrap up this hot day in the kitchen, I would love some desserts.
All right,
Awesome. Let's do it.
Yeah.
For me, my dessert growing up at home was just fruits. Like my mom would just put out fruits and that's what you would eat.
We're going to make a shaved ice dessert with a various selection of fruits. We're going to make a glaze with the Yuja. We'll serve that over the crushed ice, and then we'll add some Korean pear, some blueberries, some Korean chestnuts, some currants, and a little bit of white peach. The mint will go really well with that citron. Yeah, super simple, super fast.
Hey, so this dessert's probably gonna melt, so let's not wait and just go right into it.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
Oh, so kind.
Just tell me how the chilies are. I'm a little suspect about this.
You're so funny.
I'm scared. I'm scared, Chef.
Sweet, spicy goes really well together.
Oh, this is really cool. It's like a cold soup.
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
The chili's perfect.
Oh, wow.
That's so nice.
That's super refreshing. It's just that hint.
It's so refreshing.
I love
It's so
that soup,
delicious.
that base soup, yeah.
That's like so perfect.
Chef, what would you call this dish? After you eat your
Shaved ice with Korean citron, Korean pear, and summer fruits.
Incredible.
For dessert today, I'm making a fun little ice cream sundae with great Korean ingredients. I'm mixing Korean coffee powder into ice cream along with a little bit of orange zest.
You get the little coffee granules?
That's a lot of coffee. This is really good. The orange is really nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
The coffee's like crunchy too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. I like it.
And then serving that with cherries dressed with Yuja, and then a little bit of pluots, and finishing that with sweet potato jelly and a little bit of misugaru latte.
Just to give it a little extra, like, nutty richness. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's good to go.
Hold your spoons, guys. That's incredible.
Can we taste?
Absolutely.
Okay, perfect.
That misugaru latte right on top. Super nice, super nutty.
I think I love all the textures,
Yeah.
and it's not too sweet. And it's just like a little bit of bitterness from the coffee. Just that nuttiness from the powder and the sweet potato candies. I think it like works really well together.
Thank you so much, guys, coming into just really attacking my pantry the way you guys really did and the way you guys know how. Your guys' very unique perspectives on the pantry was like something that really inspired me. So thank you so much, seriously.
the array of just all these amazing ingredients and just how versatile they are, and just you teaching us a little bit about.
I felt like you guys were teaching me. But it's okay.
We had a really fantastic time, and you know, I learned from you, Maya. So it's been just a wonderful experience overall, and I'm happy to go back home and use even more of these Korean ingredients in our cooking.
Absolutely.
Same.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun trying to work these into Southern restaurant.
Really, I feel like this was just a big lesson for me, like a kind of like going back to school. The whole premise of it was asking my non-Korean chefs to teach me how to really think outside the box of these really traditional and awesome Korean pantry ingredients. When they attacked the pantry and really gave me a lot of sense of pride in terms of these are the ingredients that are from my culture that I grew up using, eating, and it was really awesome to see how they kind of made it their own.
We got to do some sort of a collab right here.
We'll do.
And do like a
Yeah. Okay, you come to Portland and hang out with us.
Done. I love it.
Perfect.
Thank you so much, guys.
Of course,
Appreciate
our
Thank you.
pleasure, our pleasure.
Thanks for cooking with us.
it. Thank you, guys. Yay!